Get ready to level up your student living experience at Iona Street in Edinburgh. Nestled near Dalmy Park, this stunning accommodation offers a variety of studio and private apartments tailored for your comfort. From a snug bed to a fully equipped kitchenette complete with modern appliances for whipping up mouth-watering meals. Dive into the amazing social spaces, including study areas, an on-site gym to keep those endorphins flowing, and a coffee lounge for your caffeine fix on the go. With the University of Edinburgh and Edinburgh College of Arts just a stone's throw away, you're in the heart of the action. And when it comes to dining and entertainment, you're spoiled for choice. Whether you're craving Mediterranean delights at La Casa Lite or tantalizing Latin flavors at Orinoco Restaurant, the options are endless. The Strathmore Bar is just a hop, skip, and jump away. With Lidl Supermarket just steps from your doorstep, grocery runs are a breeze. So why settle for the ordinary when you can live the extraordinary at Iona Street? Book your spot now at amberstudent.com.